Welcome to our guide on building an AI that truly works for you. Imagine having a digital assistant that anticipates your needs and adapts to your lifestyle. With the right techniques, you can train your AI to become a seamless extension of yourself. From voice recognition to personalized recommendations, the possibilities are endless. Unlock the full potential of AI and revolutionize how you interact with technology. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of personalized AI development. Now, let's dive into the first step of creating your own digital assistant. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial for building a reliable and efficient AI. Customize your assistant to streamline tasks, manage your schedule, and enhance productivity. Discover the power of machine learning algorithms in shaping your AI's capabilities. Transform your AI into a proactive helper that understands your unique preferences. Embrace the future of technology by crafting an AI that aligns perfectly with your lifestyle. Join us on this journey of AI mastery and witness the incredible impact it can have on your daily life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI insights and tutorials. Final YouTube sign-off sentence.